Hi everyone! It's Hannah! Faith! Yes, yo! Ang init. And for today's video, nagbabalik naman po ang pambansang Dilulo ni Hulaan Nyo. So for today's video, mag-reaction tayo sa newest MV ng SB19, which is Young Toy Friend, and also sorry if hindi ako nakapag-reaction video agad yesterday kasi it's my birthday! Birthday ko kahapon, guys. So, nabisi ako kahapon. Nabisi kumain. Nabisi ako kahapon hindi na ako nakapag-RV agad. Anyway, I'm so happy na nalaman kong merong MV to kasi I super love this. Bumababa yung tripod ko, guys. I super love this song. Like, sa mga nirelease nila, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-favorite kong kanta na nirelease nila. Na bago, dun sa wakas at simula nila. So, I'm just so happy na nalaman ko na merong MV! Ngayon, tayo ay mag-reaction video. Bago tayo mag-start, batiin nyo muna ako ng happy birthday dyan sa comment section. Go! Ngayon na. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy na birthday ba sa iyong pagsilang? Happy na birthday pa. Happy na birthday pa. Alright. So, mag-start na tayo ng reaction video, guys. So, thank you so much sa mga bumati in advance. So, i-share nyo na tong reaction video ko para naman pa-birthday nyo na sa akin, guys. By the way, i-mute ko pala. I-mute ko pala to. Tatanggalin ko yung mga music niya. So, puro voice lang yun na maririnig nyo, guys. So, yun lang. Wow! OMG! Ay! Ang pogi ni Gen! At least remember ng ano, yung B. Ang cute!
Feels like something could go badly wrong. But the imagination took us away. Tell me why you're giving me all that off. You think I'm just
Ay!
play with for a night. You're crazy at all. It's unpredictable. Follow me, you're trying to say you can trust.
Ang pogi ni Justin. With Toy Friend. Oh! Oh! Wow! Ay, pogi ni Justin! Ay! OMG ka dyan, Stel. Kamukha ka siyang anime player dito. Yan yung anime. Ang pogi ni Ken. Ang puti ni Justin. Alam, bumaba na yung laptop. Ay, yung ano ko. Sorry.
Something could go badly wrong. But our imagination take us away.
Alam niya, parang sobrang main character ni Pablo sa MV na to.
You think I'm just somebody to play for a night. You're crazy with you are. You're so predictable.
Ang pogi ni Justin. Pogi ni Ken! Pogi sa kanya yung hair. The Toy Friend. Oh! 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 Ang langkit ni Ken! Sino ka? Sino ka dyan, Stel?
wanna say you're a girl, guy. You just wanna freak me out.
That's a toy friend. Just another toy friend. Ay! Amagi! Tapos na, guys. Okay, guys. Ang masasabi ko dito, this is what I really expected kung magkakaroon talaga yung MV. If magkakaroon yung toy friend ng MV, ito yung parang ina-expect ko talagang visual ng MV nila. It's very funk. It's very fun to watch. And it's giving K-drama. Alam niyo bakit K-drama? Kasi may mga K-drama na parang may yung huge yung tao sa city. So, yun yung naalala ko dito sa scene nung may mga guys, sorry kung ginaganyan-ganyan ko yung ano kasi bumababa yung tripod. So ayun, ang masasabi ko, ang daming exposure ni Pablo dito sa ni Justin. Actually lahat naman sila, pero parang laging nasa gitna si Pablo dito, tapos siya yung parang may susi, ganon. And I love Ken's hair here. At ang pagiri ni Justin at yung isang yung group na B ba siya or B? Ngayon lang sa SB19 ko lang din sila nakilala yung B. Though parang ang dami nilang members. So ayun naman po yung napansin ko sa MV na to. Hey guys, what do you think about this MV? Kasi I really enjoyed watching. It's very graphics. It's a lot of edits. And madami siyang mga anek-anek ganun. As an artist myself, I love the MV. Highly motion graphics. Yes! Sabi ko sa inyo guys pag manonood kayo ng reaction video ko, merong mga kasamang technicalities when it comes to the music video itself. So, ayun. Tapos, I just really love the Toy Friend song. As in, super favorite ko siya. And, I hope na mas marami pa silang makakolab na mga artist or group, ganyan. Tapos, yun lang. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog, this reaction video. And please do greet me happy birthday down there. And guess my age! Guess my age, guys! Yung iba dyan alam na eh. Kasi nag-hard launch ako ng age ko sa IG. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, please do follow me. This is my IG, guys. There. Follow me there. Please, 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 please. And yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yun lang. Subscribe. Bye!